If Spotify is not playing music, here are a few fixes you can try. First, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is caused by a weak or unstable network. Next, open your phone's Settings app and go to Apps. Find Spotify from the list and open it. After that, go to Storage and tap Clear Cache. You can also clear app data if the problem continues. Then reopen Spotify and sign back into your account if needed. Another thing to check is Spotify's playback settings. Open Spotify, tap your profile icon, and go to Settings and Privacy. Now open Data Saver and Offline. Make sure Data Saver mode is turned off because it can sometimes affect music playback. You should also head over to the Play Store or App Store and check if Spotify has any available updates. Installing the latest version can fix playback bugs and app issues. If Spotify still isn't working, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app completely. Hopefully one of these methods fixes the issue and gets your music playing again. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.